5 actions to setting goal success. Setting goal is the true secret to success in any area of life. Although setting an objective might seem easy, achieving it is usually another concern entirely. Why is that? Since you will never achieve your goals unless you 1. Understand exactly what you desire, 2. Are passionate about your goal, and 3. Have a solid, reasonable plan of action. This is what marks the difference between ambiguous dreams and desires and really attainable goals. When you're going after an objective, many barriers and obstacles will fly right in your face. Here are 5 tried and true techniques that will assist get the success you deserve. 1. Know precisely what your goal is. Your first task is to find exactly what your goal is. What will achieving that objective truly appear like? Be as specific as possible about precisely what your wanted end result is. Your success will be a measure of your clearness because an attainable objective plan cannot be created around a nebulous dream. If your goal is to create a more successful company, what will that appear like? Are you believing in terms of merely working with another person to offer you more downtime? Are you searching for a really particular monthly earnings? Or can your goal be best revealed in terms of a certain lifestyle? Regardless of what you want, the very best way to get it is to first clarify exactly what you want in as much detail as possible. This can be hard work. Without a clear psychological image, you'll never ever have actually the focus required to accomplish your objective. 2. Want to pay the entry charge. Success takes devoted planning and effort. In such a way it's like building a house. In the starting all you have is a rough principle. Then you establish a total set of strategies and you instantly move more detailed to success. The very same holds true of producing a much better way of life, or a more effective service. But there's constantly an entry cost to be spent for success. The entry charge? Creating more success in your business might mean less leisure time. Composing your own book may require less television. Being closer to your children might need changing your work or social activities. It's the complete glass offer. If your life, your time, is currently full to the top, there's no space for something brand new. The entry fee is taking the time to develop that something brand new. 3. Focus on your objective every day. I'm sure you most likely wish to achieve your objective as quick as possible. That's why clear psychological focus is so extremely crucial. Consistent daily focus is absolutely required to burn in the brand new neural paths you require to develop your new goal. Without everyday focus, the old psychological practices that have actually kept you from your goal will continue to take control of. This takes place immediately given that these old practices replay 24/7 deep in your subconscious mind. The only method to override subconscious anti-success messages is to knowingly concentrate on what you do desire and construct brand new neural networks. That's why success is an everyday event. Recommit to your goal every day. Don't let your goal take a back seat to the everyday jobs and distractions that will attempt to take over. Life will attempt to get in your method. Simply get, and stay, on course every day. Focus on your goal, and on success. 4. Get passionate. Among the most effective tools in your success toolbox is having real passion for your goal. Why enthusiasm? Because intense enthusiastic desire for your goal will help you burn in those new neural pathways even much faster. Numerous clinical research studies have revealed that extreme feeling, enthusiasm, is a crucial success tool. Plus, and this is truly plus, extreme passion will likewise help you quickly bypass any improper old failure messages saved in your subconscious mind. 5. Take constant action. In numerous ways, actually taking action can be the most challenging action. Successful goal accomplishment is developed by taking one small action after another. The word is action. Your actions will include up and make a difference if you devote to take at least one little action each day. Prevent sitting back waiting for that huge second when everything will magically, simply happen. You can create whatever you desire in life. The trick is to determine precisely what you want, then pursue it passionately. Keep in mind, in the end, only action counts. You can't just dream about it. You need to do it.